Hello guys, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how you can get rid of this indicator over here, the TPMS or flat tire indicator of a Tesla S75D. It's a 2018 model. After changing the wheels or a flat tire, repairing the flat tires, this indicator you have to reset with the screen on the right side, and I'm going to show you how you can do it for yourself. Before we start, as always, I want to mention our YouTube channel, Service Reset My Car. Really appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel, give us more support by liking our videos. Any questions, any comments, use the comment area and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. So, we had a flat tire, we repaired it, and I'm going to show you how we get rid of this indicator over here. First of all, we have to use this screen over here, go to car on the bottom, okay, and then go to give it a look, surface, and as you can see, the reset TPMS sensor, it's the tire pressure monitoring system. The TPMS stands for tire pressure monitoring system. Then we have to press the reset button over here, and once you have done that, and go for a ride for a few kilometers, the TPMS indicator on the screen will go away. So once again, go to this area, press this one, go to surface and reset the TPMS sensor indicator. And once you have done that, the indicator must have gone and you won't be able to see it again. Thanks for watching. Take a look at our channel. We have more than 300 other videos on different model cars, and hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.